The last question, you can still say no. Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, Father.
So I'm never gonna let you go. I'll hold you forever. Oh, baby, I'ma let you know we belong together. We belong together.
What is your marriage today? It's a celebration of the love of God. Jiggy and Dee celebrate the love of God that endures forever.
Best friends know all the places that their best friends go. And every time you go away, I never wanna say goodbye. So we take it slow. Let the seeds of love beneath us grow.
I love you. That's the most obvious first sentence. I'm excited to spend the rest of my life with you. Thank you for everything.
I love you. I will love you in happy times, and I will love you even more when it's not. Thank you for everything and for loving me the way you love me.